What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber to invest, to rest, and in today's video, I'm gonna share here with you guys the best exchange to buy Dogecoin and hold your Dogecoin, okay? The best app and crypto exchange to buy Dogecoin. So of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm gonna share with you guys here my own research why I think this is the best place to buy or send your Dogecoin over here with many good reasons. So I just wanna start off by saying that I did a video a couple months ago called the best app to buy Dogecoin. And at that moment was Voyager. And that video did amazing. One of the best videos on my channel, did amazing. But over the times, things changed, and it changed a lot. Many apps and crypto exchanges started adding Dogecoin to their exchange, which is awesome. And at that time, in my opinion, Voyager definitely was one of the best ones. But over the times, things changed a lot. And in my opinion, the best one at the moment, okay, in my opinion, is Gemini. And I'm gonna share here in this video why I think Gemini is the best one. And I just want to start off by saying that if you don't have Gemini yet, if you use my referral code in the description and pinned comment below, you guys will get $10 free worth of Bitcoin that you can sell at any time you want after you put in $100 to trade. So that's if you use my referral code. So starting off here, why do I think Gemini is the best exchange to buy and hold Dogecoin? Starting off with the first reason, and that's probably the biggest one that got me to change, probably got a lot of people as well. And it's with the APY, earning interest on Dogecoin here is the biggest one out of all the other apps out there, the major apps and crypto exchanges. And on Gemini, you earn 7.4 APY on Dogecoin daily just for holding it. Of course, it's compounding daily, but the APY for the year is 7.4, which in my opinion is pretty high. And on Gemini, it ties with Gemini dollar for the highest 7.4. So keep in mind that about a month ago, Gemini had the APY for Dogecoin at about 2.25%, which is the same as in Voyager. Okay, but recently they changed it to 7.4. So instead of having your Dogecoin idle in some app that you don't earn interest, or even in Voyager that you earn only 2.25, why not have it on Gemini, right, and earn 7.4 APY? You're basically earning more Dogecoin for holding it there. And the second reason is a very basic one, but there's many apps out there that have Dogecoin that still don't have this, and that is a wallet address. Okay, Robinhood, Webull, even Voyager at the moment don't have wallet address for Dogecoin specifically. Okay, Gemini does. So anytime I want to, if I don't like Gemini one day, I can send that Dogecoin to any other app that I want. If you bought Dogecoin on Robinhood, Webull, I don't know if eToro, I think eToro does have wallet address. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. But on Voyager as well, and some other ones out there, they don't have wallet addresses for your Dogecoin. So it's trapped in there until they create a wallet address and let you withdraw it someday. So it's a really basic one, but it's very important to have that control of your Dogecoin, right? You can send it to a cold storage wallet or another place. Another important thing is that Gemini is very trusted. It's an American-based company, and they have a lot of good security, just like Coinbase and Kraken and some other apps out there. So in my opinion, they're very trusted. They always have ads, and I'm pretty sure that they have really good insurance just in case anything happens in the future. But I really trust Gemini. I just feel like it's very secure. Just the feel of the app is just very user-friendly and just very clean, just like Coinbase and some other big apps out there. And another good reason too is that it compounds day by day. So it's not monthly that you get your interest paid, it's daily. Right, so it's compounding a little bit day by day based on that 7.4. Now this could be a good thing based on the math, or it could be a bad thing based on the math, right? Because it all depends on the price of Dogecoin. Obviously, if it was down all those days throughout that month, and then the last day it just goes crazy up, right? You really didn't make that much based on the daily compound compared to the monthly one, just getting paid out monthly. But I actually do prefer it either daily or weekly. It's just a lot better to see it getting compounded every single day. And you also got to note that every single day you have a little bit more of Dogecoin. And lastly, I just wanted to add that Gemini has really good fees, and better fees than Coinbase, even Coinbase Pro. Coinbase Pro has a fee of 0.5 maker and taker. Now I made a video on how to lower your fees on Gemini for when you trade. Okay, I'll leave it right here in the cards. Basically, to save you guys time, you basically just trade on your computer on the active trader. You just go to the Gemini website and trade on there, because trading on the active trader is way better because the fees are super lower compared to the mobile. Okay, for some reason they have these pretty big fees on the mobile, just like Coinbase, but when you use the website for Gemini to trade, it's 0.3, okay, compared to Coinbase Pro, which is 0.5. So right here you can see, so right here it's very user friendly. You just go right here to earn after you buy your Dogecoin, of course, and you connect your bank ACH. After you transfer it, it gets it in there instantly. You can buy it instantly. Now note that they'll take out that money in about 1 to 2 business days from your bank. So after you do that, you click on Dogecoin after you buy it, and then you just press earn. It's gonna say how much you want to earn, like how much amount that you want to put in, and then it should be right here in your portfolio. If you scroll down, it will say how much you're earning on that Dogecoin, and it even tells you how much you earned so far. So there you guys go. That's my reason why Gemini is the best exchange to buy and hold Dogecoin at the moment. Who knows, maybe in the future there might be a better one, but at the moment Gemini is definitely the best one. Definitely use my referral code in the description below and you get $10 free worth of Bitcoin that you can sell anytime once you guys put in $100. Check out my free Facebook group in the description below for crypto, and also my private Discord and my Patreon. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.